tiny leak could cost you thousands. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. I bet you didn't know this, but a tiny leak could cost you thousands. Most plumbing damage starts slowly, under sinks, behind toilets, or around taps. If you notice water stains, musty smells, or rising water bills, don't ignore it. Check under sinks monthly, look for moisture around fittings, and fix drips early before mold starts. Scope Facilities helps Aussie homes stay leak-free and damage-free. This is your handyman mate from Scope Facilities. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video.